Hey guys, this week I'm going to be doing a little bit to the ute. Last video I talked about starting a mini truck build series with it. I had a couple of comments saying that they'd be keen on seeing it and stuff like that. So I'm gonna do it. This will be the first official video. I rang up today about getting a gearbox. Just waiting to hear back from them. From a couple of wreckers around the area. Just had the grill off and put these new headlights in. I just put this park light in. Can't put this one in at the moment because it's missing a few little bits where the screws go in. I might just start doing a little bit of a neaten up in the engine bay. Been doing a little bit of work to the ute, like my VS ute, 5-litre ute. I'm just getting it back to normal so I can get defect cleared. So yeah, just got it all back on, just starting it up, and then I'll put some water in it and yeah, see how it goes. So we've got all the manifold back on. No covers or air cleaner or anything. I've got water in the ute. So I'm just going to fire her up, see if she leaks anywhere. We'll go from there. So I didn't have it running for long, but I checked the oil and it's not the best looking since I've had all the manifold off. A lot of shit going down in there, so I'm not going to run it. So far, no leaks, but I'm not going to run it anymore. Just I don't want to cause any damage to it until I change the oil. So now I'm going to clean the shed up a bit and probably start getting into ripping the engine out of this. So you know, the other one should turn up start of the week, so get into it. So there's the new one ready to go in it. I got the bonnet off and stuff already. The engine crane there ready to go. I've put in the stone on and stuff, so let's get into it. Day now. Didn't really get much done yesterday. Hopefully in a couple of hours I'll be able to get this out and start cleaning up the engine bay a little bit and swap some stuff over and get it ready to put the other one back in. So, just under here, under the bell housing bolts. Actually, I'll take the wire off the starter motor so I can get the torque converter bolts and get them off. And I'll undo the bell housing bolts, the gearbox lines. Have to drain the power steer and the coolant yet, but yeah, let's get into it. Now we've got the starter motor out of the way, jump up in there and I'll get some torque converter bolts. So guys, the engine's out. I didn't get much footage, which sucks, but it's out. That's the new one. I'm gonna be cleaning up the engine bay, so I can get rid of all this shit, clean everything up, polish everything up, make it look nice and neat before this goes in. Obviously, still got to transfer stuff over from the other motor onto this one. I just got the old one sitting over here. Shadow's in the way. Starter motor, everything needs to be changed over, a lot of stuff anyway. So this is where we left it. Engine out. Engine bay's dirty. New engine. Pull that out before I forget. Now, we'll get into pulling some shit off this engine. So I think roughly everything's right to go on the engine. If not, I'll soon find out. I'm not going to wash it because I don't want to get shit in anywhere. Once it's all hooked up, I might give it a bit of a wash in there. But there is shit shit down there. I want to pressure wash, but I mean, I could ratchet strap the gearbox up, but I might just get everything alright. Anyway, I've got some spots that are hard to get. Clean it all up. And I'll do the rest when I got the motor in. I'm trying to get as much as I can done, because I got to go away this weekend from Thursday and come back Sunday, so try and get as much done as possible. So this is where I'm at. We've got that much gap. Everything's slowly getting lined up. I'm just jacking the front of the motor up a little bit just so I could line it up a little bit more. Got a jack under the gearbox. I can't fit under the car, so I can push on the gearbox forward, which would be ideal, but so I'm just gonna have to work with what I got. Well guys, it's running now. I don't know, I reckon it's got a slight miss. I just have to wait for the missus to come home and we'll take it for a drive. Well, it's a bit hard to see, but it's driving at the moment. Just done a bit of a test drive, see how it goes. Doesn't seem to be missing or anything so far, so it's going pretty good. Well guys, it runs, it drives. A few little bugs I need to fix up, but I'm gonna leave the video here. This video's been, it has been all over the place, and it's been in the making for 2 weeks, so I'm sorry about that. But next week I'll probably be getting stuck into doing a little bit of work to the ute, and probably just finishing off this few little things need doing to it. Bleed the cooling system. So we had a problem with it before, the ECU. Done some research and found out the ECU was a bit faulty, not sending a injector pulse to cylinder number 1. So I had a bit of trouble with it, and I ended up coming up with a cheap solution before getting an ECU. I just put, you can't really see it, jumped a couple wires here from pin to pin, just to get the injector pulse there. This new engine come with a ECU, so I'll have to go get that other ECU programmed, chuck it on, and it should be right, and I won't have to do that. Get the codes cleared and it should be good. I'm going to leave the video there. Give it a like, subscribe, comment down below, and I'll see you in the next video.